Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are hale and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Virtual School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 1 on the topic Lesson 7, exercise 2 and 3. Students, I am repeating, today our topic is Lesson 7, exercise 2 and 3. And our today's lecture is 10 and homework number will be 6. Dear students, please take your new engineering grammar book and open lesson 7 exercise 2. I'll start from that. So let's do. Students, I hope you have opened page number 21 and exercise number 2. Read the question first. Replace the words in color with he, she, it, we or they and complete or write the sentences. Okay, so do you know what you have to do? You can see some gaps are given for you and you have to use pronouns. Pronouns are he, she, it, we, they. So you have to choose from this and have to fill the gaps. Let's do number 1. Farha was not well. Farha went to the doctor. So you can see first sentence is given and you can see Farha is in red mark and the answer is given for you. Farha was not well. First sentence is given as same as given in the question, and then what have written? She went to the doctor. So can you understand how they have written? Farha is the name of a girl. So it's noun and instead of noun we have to use pronoun. So as Farha is a girl, we have used pronoun and it will be she. She went to the doctor. Instead of noun, you will use a pronoun and you have to write the rest of the sentence. Farha was not well. She went to the doctor. So students, I hope you can understand. First one is done for you. Now we have to do from number 2 to 5. Number 2 is grandfather has a big car. The car is very old. So you can see the car, this word is in red mark. And look this sentence. Grandfather has a big car. So it is given as same as the question. Now we have to fill the gap. Dash is very old. So instead of the car, what can you write? Can you guess, students? The car is not a person. It's not any animal, not a place. It's a thing. The car is indicating a thing. So the car is very old. So instead of the car as pronoun, we can write it. It is very old. Grandfather has a big car. It is very old. Number 3, the man is walking fast. The man is in a hurry. So you can see the man is in red mark. So let's read this. The man is walking fast. Dash is in a hurry. So who is in a hurry? The man is in a hurry. But we can't write down the same word given in the question. Instead of the man, we have to write down he. Students, can you understand why we have to write down he? I hope you can understand. The man means it's not female, it's male. So for male, we have to use he as pronoun. He is in a hurry. Number 4, where are the birds? The birds are on the tree. So here is a question and the answer. Where are the birds? The birds are on the tree. And same, where are the birds? So you have to write down the answer. Where are the birds? The birds are on the tree. So what can you write for the birds as pronoun? Can you guess? The birds. The bird is singular, but when we are saying the birds, it is plural. So bird first. I'm writing here, students. Look, bird. The word bird, it is singular, and when we will write birds, it is plural. Bird is singular, birds, it is plural. So when you will get bird, you will write down it. But when you will get birds, that means more than one, you have to write they. You have to write down they. So for singular, you will write down it. For plural, you will write down they. So where are the birds? The birds are on the tree. You have to write down where are the birds. They are. Here you have to write down the whole sentence. They are on the tree. They are on the tree. Okay, I hope you can understand. For the birds, we have used pronoun they, and then the rest of the sentence. Number 5, Ben came to my party. Ben and I had lots of fun. Ben and I had lots of fun. Ben came to my party, and here you have to write down the sentence using pronoun. So Ben and I. Students, can you understand? Ben and I. These are plural. 2 person here. So when more than one, we call we. We use we as pronouns. So for Ben and I, we have to write down we had lots of fun. We had lots of fun. So Ben and I had lots of fun. For that, we can write we had lots of fun. Students, that's for exercise 1. Now we will do exercise 2. So go to page number 22 and read the question. Complete the sentences with I, you, we, he, she, it, or they. So here you can see the gaps. You have to put this pronoun and it must be correct. Number 1 is done for you. I am Sunita and I study in National Primary School. So it's I and it is given. You have to do number 2. Amina and I went to the zoo dash saw many crocodiles. So Amina and I, focus on the beginning. Amina and I. Students, is it singular or plural? Can you guess? Is it singular or plural? It is plural because here more than one person, Amina and I. It makes 2. So we have to write down we. We saw many crocodiles. Amina and I went to the zoo. We saw many crocodiles. Then number 3, Arjun goes to the park every evening. Here you can see the gap dash plays on the swing. Arjun goes to the park every evening. So Arjun is a boy and it is 3rd person. So we have to write down he. He plays on the swing. So here you have to write down he. Arjun goes to the park every evening. He plays on the swing. Number 4, the children got down from the bus. Dash ran to the balloon seller. The children. So the children means it's plural. Child is singular, children is plural. The children got down from the bus. They ran to the balloon seller. As it is children, we have to write down they. T-H-E-Y. They. They is plural. Number 5. When you look through this window, dash can see the sea. So when you look through this window, you is 2nd person, so you will be you. When you look through this window, you can see the sea. So here you have to write down you. You will be in small letter because you can see here we have given comma. So after comma you have to write down in small letter. So here you will be in small letter. Number 6, Miss Asha is our teacher. Dash teaches us English. Miss Asha. Students, this is the name of a teacher and she is a female teacher. So for this we have to use she. Miss Asha is our teacher. She teaches us English. Here we have to write down she. She teaches us English. Now number 7, where is the scooter? Dash is under the tree. Where is the scooter? This scooter, the word is mentioning a thing. So for thing we have to write down it. It is under the tree. So I'm writing here it. Where is the scooter? It is under the tree. Now students, we have done exercise 2 and 3 from lesson 7. Now it's time to provide your homework. Your homework will be exercise 2. Your homework will be exercise 2. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.